Hey everyone, welcome back to my Restoring the Colors series, and today we shall be doing Ready, Set, Race. Apparently this is apparently it's a really hard race, and it's over here, that's where it is, and I just have to apparently complete the race, and I should get my next goal. Yay! Okay. Oh, there's another cloud. Do I talk to him and get a bonus or something? Complete the rainbow race. Complete, sorry. Oh no, compete. Compete. Okay. Start high school race. Okay, let's go. 70 horseshoes. Oh, apparently you don't actually have to get them all. It's just each one that you do get will help with your score. So you want to try and get all of them? On my other account, I actually got 69 out of 70. So I got very mad at myself. Oh look, we get part pink and then it disappears. Nice. Oops. Guys, you do not want to fall off the edge. Otherwise, bad stuff can happen. You also do not want to hit the weather stuff that's around the place. Otherwise, it could knock you off. Like that guy just did. And probably the cyclones are probably the worst. Sorry, tornadoes. Because they can make you have to restart it. Man, it's all slippery. I would just like to say one of the reasons that I'm not posting is my filming stuff is not that great. Here are the tornadoes. So I'm now just posting probably around every Thursday, maybe a little bit later, maybe a little bit sooner, depending on what they have. Oops, I tried to get the other part. But I will basically just do it after the update, or if there's something exciting. And yeah. I just want to try and keep you guys entertained and give you everything that you need to know about like Star Stable and the secret quests and all that kind of fun stuff. So yeah. Ooh. I'm gonna stop just so I can collect these guys. I'll come back for that other one on my second lap. So you basically have to do 2 laps of this place. Yeah. If you can hear little whispers, that's actually my sister. So yeah. Oh, we got 2 full wings there, half a wing for 2 full wing. Nice. Oops. Oh well, I guess maybe I may be missing. Okay, this race is going to be missing a couple of thingos, and I fell off again. Wowzers. Well, I'm definitely can't. What? All I did was drive my forward. That's all I did. Oh, it's brought me back. Hey, we got him. Okay, we've got 56 out of 70. Oh, okay. This time I didn't die by the tornado. That's good to know. Okay, now there's actually a second way to go. So this is so on your first lap go one way, on your second lap go the other way, so you can get the most amount of horseshoes you can. Because apparently the more horseshoes you have, the better score you get. Let's just get this last guy. Oh, I missed 2. Oh well. And I finished. And I got 68 out of 70. I get 260. I also get a memory fragment, guys. Let's go. I think it should be Indigo. Indigo next. We shall also get our reward from this little cloud. And let's oh, okay, that little Pantorian creature was kind of cute. Someone's things. Guys, just go back and tell me if you also saw it and if it looked like it was being green screened. Oh, everyone just move out of it, please. It was Indigo. Well, thank you guys for coming along for this Indigo, and I will see you all in the next one, where we shall be doing the final color, blue. Bye!